Right, so we're just going for a quick walk and take an ace. So you can do a 360 on this, so you can look round left and right to see where I am. So you can have a look. Look at the beautiful dead trees. The houses at the side of me. Oh, this is where we are. This is, like I said, a virtual tour of where we're walking to. In a minute you'll see this gentleman on his, it's not a mobility scooter, but go on mate, you're alright. No, you're alright. See ya. So yeah, just a little walk. Some really nice houses round here. There's one up at the bottom here, and I think it's 750,000. Really nice. I call it the American house. I'll show you in a minute. This one's one of our friends' houses. Derek's, Christine. So, show you what it's like. You know, you can have, well, you can have a look round. Just look that way. To my left, your right. And you can have a look round. Yeah, out and about. Bit out of breath again. It's not far though, this walk. It's not far. So anyway, about the Hero Max, when you are uploading it to YouTube, you can probably watch it yourself after a bit, but when you look at your YouTube studio, it says still processing. Now when it says still processing, it is still processing, but you can still watch it. So like I said, it says still processing, you can still watch it, and then the next day it's processed. But why it's saying processing, you've got very grainy video footage. So just look back on it the day after and you'll see it's uploading a good quality picture. Come on, good luck. So if you have a look to my left again, your right, you will see the American house. I love it. Hi mate. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, I've just been talking to the fella now who's got that American house, and I've been on about going in and doing a 360 video for him just. So let's see if he wants it. There's quite a few things I have noticed with the, if you're doing 360, you can, that's one good way of doing it, and you can adjust the camera where you want it, and view the shots around, and you can edit it that way. But by doing it with the VR, basically you're in control, the person watching, because they can just turn their head or turn the screen round and do it that way. End of the day, it is a good camera. I'm still learning it. I'm enjoying it. Out of breath again now. I think I'll go back in a minute, or I'll just get to this bit, push myself a bit more. Oh, go out and try and push yourself a little bit, not too much. When you feel like coming back, go back, because we are recovering from COVID. So horrible thing. But we'll all get there in the end, won't we? Now this camera, like I said, it's shooting on 360. and I'm going to be uploading it as a VR. So I always use LumaFusion, and if you look at my other previous videos you'll see I would turn it into a VR, and I hope it helps everybody. So let's have another look. So you can have a good look round the field where Ace goes, and if you look over to your left, my right, I don't know if you can see it, but it's the headstocks of Clipston.